Masibike 8.
Okay, yaphangela. Because I think masiyele financial late because if awuyipha kuzawungena omunye umuntu.
Alright.
Yabo.
Buya bizo.
Mina.
John.
I told you this week I'm not going to be here. Even today I'm going there now.
Okay, John.
So the time I'm sitting there, boy, son, the boy, son,
Aye. Why that baby? Aye. That's a problem. Yeah.
She's tired. She's all the excuses in the world.
Let's go, guys.
All the excuses. Those are ours. Hi, Abani. Hi, Ilanga. Hi, Nyongo. Hi, Shushu. No, all the excuses.
Let's go. I don't know.